gonna share with you the 3 pleasure switch ups that women can't resist. Because I've shared with you over and over that a woman does not like vanilla, boring sex. Just like you don't like it, guess what? She doesn't like it either. And if you're like, what do you mean you told me before? I'm new here. Well, darling, if you're new here, trust me, you wanna hit that subscribe button because you're gonna learn things that are gonna make her adore you and be fascinated with you every time she goes to the bedroom, because we are changing shit up here. So when you switch it up on her, what she does is she feels like she's with a new man. I get men all the time who email me who've bought in one of my courses, and they have said over and over, I've been in my relationship for 20 years, I've been married for 20 years, I didn't know to do these things to my woman's body until I bought your courses. And now my wife is going, where the hell did you learn that? And that is one of the first things that you can do to switch it up, to make her excited for you again, is just that. Learning new techniques to demonstrate on her body. The reality is, yeah, we all get used to our routines. We get used to the same things over and over and over again. We know that, okay, if I put my wife in the doggy style position, I'm gonna come. I know that if she rides me, she's going to come. Yes, but guess what? When you guys do that same thing all the time and you don't bring any new techniques in the bedroom because you've been married 10 years, you've been married 20 years, so that's your excuse. Bullshit. That's not an excuse. Your marriage, your relationship, your encounters with women are an investment. So you want to learn new techniques to bring into the bedroom. At least bring something new to the bedroom twice a month. Keep it sexy, keep it spicy, stay away from vanilla sex. Here is the second thing that you can switch it up with is, if you're the guy who's always super sweet to her, meaning you're that nice guy, you're very gentle with her, then you want to switch it up by giving her a nice spanking, doing something to go, woo, oh my God, I didn't believe that Mark even had that in him. I can't believe he spanked me last night in the bedroom. Doesn't he know I'm a princess? But gosh, inside I'm a dirty, naughty little girl, and he just brought that out of me. Yeah, if you're too sweet too often, you need to switch it up. Give her some of that raw masculine energy. Switch it up that way through your touch. Now, if you're the guy that you're always rough, or maybe you're a bit selfish in the bedroom, it's time to switch it up and become more sensitive with her, more sweet to her, more sensual in the way that you touch her. Just rubbing her hair a little bit longer, or rubbing her arms, or gently stroking along her neck, just gently stroking along her chin and her jawline and saying, you are the most gorgeous girl ever. When you give it to her so sweetly and so softly, trust me, us women, we want that care. We want that sense of nurture. And when it's done with a sexual energy behind it, we can't resist it. It's that switch up that just goes, wow, oh my God, this man is capable of doing everything. How did I get so lucky to be with him? And if you really want to switch it up with her, I do have my bundle where it contains sensual touch and dirty talk. Like, I made a whole book, a little PDF that you can take of just one line after the next of dirty things that you can say to her. And guess what? We want those dirty images in our mind of the things that you're gonna do to us. But also we do want that polarity of you being sweet and sensually touching us. And I've said it so many times, consistently. So you can get that in the comment section. You can get it in the description. And while you're there, just comment consistency, because that is very important. Even though you're switching things up, you're consistently showing up and bringing her pleasure means the world to her. And that is the third thing, back to the dirty talk. Many times people are really good at saying these things when the relationship is new, when it's fresh, but there becomes this level of respect, right? Where it's like your wife becomes your princess, or she becomes the mother of the house, but you forget that she's also your dirty whore. What's the song? I want a lady in the streets, but a freak in the sheets. Yes, in order to bring out that freaky side of her, guess what? You have the power to do that. If you want your wife, if you want your girlfriend, the woman that you're pursuing, you want her to be freaky with you, then you have to bring that out. And sometimes it's just those powerful little sexual conversations. When you're saying dirty, naughty things that you want to do to her, what you're helping her do is visualize what the experience with you is going to be like when she gets in the bedroom with you. But not just that, but also it gives her something to look forward to. You just have to make sure sure that you fulfill those promises. All those dirty things that you're telling her to bring out that inner freak out of her, you also have to make sure that you deliver on that, because there's nothing that breaks consistency when a man says he's gonna do something and when the man doesn't do that thing. You wanna build her trust by delivering on those naughty things that you're saying you're going to do to her body. And if you're like, Arica, I need some more help, please get my 20 best sexual questions to ask a woman. That will create the conversation and make it more sexual, make it more playful, so that she opens up to these dirty things that you're going to say to her. Here's the thing, women need your help to get excited in the bedroom. It's not just a one-person show, just like you need her help to get hard so that you can deliver in the bedroom. We all need each other, but you can play more of a vital role than you realize. And when you start applying this to your bedroom life, you and her will have encounters that will draw you both so much closer and make you both unstoppable against the world. I love you so much. Here's a video that you should really go watch. If you really want to further your education, get some new techniques, become that unstoppable man, watch this video. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video, my darling.